Know that there is something inside you that is greater than any obstacle. Every successful person has faced challenges, setbacks, rejection, and moments when quitting seemed easier than continuing. The difference is not that they had fewer obstacles, it's that they believed they were capable of overcoming them. The greatest opportunities in life rarely come wrapped in certainty. They require courage, commitment, and a willingness to take the first step before you can see the entire path. When you stop focusing on what's standing in your way and start focusing on the future you're building, everything begins to change. Imagine waking up each day knowing that every conversation you have has the potential to create income that continues to grow month after month. Imagine helping businesses reduce one of their largest operating expenses while building a business that rewards you, not just once, but over and over again through compounding residual income. That's exactly what we do at TruPowur. We provide the training, the technology, the support, and the proven systems to help you succeed. You don't need decades of energy experience. You simply need the desire to learn, the willingness to take action, and the commitment to never give up on yourself. Every customer you help save money is another step toward creating the life you've always envisioned. Every relationship you build becomes another brick in the foundation of a business you truly own. The question isn't whether opportunity exists. The question is, will you be the person who decides to seize it? So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com, and we'll see you on the inside.